Hello and welcome to this class of strategic marketing. Now let us first begin by understanding the meaning of strategic marketing. Now when we talk about strategic marketing means STP marketing. STP stands for segmentation, targeting and positioning. Alright, so when you talk about strategic marketing means segmenting, targeting and positioning the product or services for gaining operational efficiency. Fine. Now, it is not always realistic for a firm to try to appeal to all actual or potential buyers in a market because customers may be too many, they may be too widely scattered or too varied in their needs, purchasing power, consumption patterns, etc. Now, different firms also vary widely in their abilities to serve different types of customers. Alright, so rather than attempting to compete in an entire market, its company needs to focus its efforts on the customers it can serve best. Alright, so that is, they need to focus on small groups of customers. Fine. Now when we talk about the term focus, so let us look into what the meaning of the term focus means in marketing. Now, in marketing terms, focus means providing a relatively narrow product mix for a particular market segment. Now, it may be a group of buyers, that is, the market segment may be a group of buyers who share common characteristics, needs, purchasing power, and consumption patterns. Alright, now, when you talk about focus, there are two dimensions of focus. Alright. Now, according to Robert Johnston, the extent of a company's focus can be described in two different dimensions. First is market focus and second is service focus. Now, market focus is the extent to which a firm serves few or many markets. Alright, they serve few or many markets, whereas service focus describes the extent to which a firm offers few or many services. So service focus is the focus on the service part. Alright. So now a fully focused organization provides a very limited range of services to a narrow or specific market segment. Alright, there are a few fully focused organizations which provide very limited range of services to a narrow or specific market segment. Now, a market segment or we can say better, a market focused company concentrates on a narrow market segment. That is, for example, we have Country Club, but has a wide range of services for a fairly broad market. Alright, for example, ICICI Bank, Citibank, alright, they focus on a narrow market segment, but they have a wide range of products for that narrow market segment. But it is being observed that a majority of the firms belong to the unfocused category because they try to serve broad markets and provide a wide range of services. For example, we can talk about nationalized banks. Nationalized banks try to serve a very broad market. Alright, they don't serve a narrow market, but they serve a broad market and they provide a wide range of services for them. Fine. Now, in order to understand more about strategic marketing, we are going to look into the differences between current market, strategic market and target market in the next video. Right? Thank you.